Hello folks, so this video I'm going to talk about Rapoo, some kind of an alternative of Logitech Master 3. So you see this design is quite similar, right? It's quite kind of copy the Master 3's design. Yeah, and the mouse mode is MT750L. They have another version is wireless charging. This one is you have to charge it with cable. So the other mode is MT750W. That one was, as I mentioned, it was with a wireless charging on the bottom. I didn't buy that one is because I don't think it is really necessary to have a wireless charging because of course it's more convenient. But the thing is that if you add something here, the mouse gonna be heavier. So I don't like it. I really like kind of very light mouse. Okay, so let's talk about the first impression. Let's start from the bottom. So you see the regular left, right, and the middle. That's nothing to talk about. They got these two little buttons here. This one is the kind of switch between different devices. This mouse can connect it up to 4 devices. So one is via this USB cable. Second one is 2.4G mode, and the third one is Bluetooth 3.0, and the last one is Bluetooth 4.0. So you can kind of switch in between different devices, and this one is a DPI switching button. The thing is that they only have 4 DPI for selection. The first one is the 600 DPI, second one is 1200, and third is 600. And the fourth is 32,000. Kind of weird, right? It's very different than Logitech's smooth switch DPI. So like the steps is like 50 DPI. So you can really you have lots of options. Like you can do like 2050 DPI, but this one you can't. The highest is 3200, but you can really do like 3050 kind of. And they cannot move these two buttons backward and forward to this this position. I mean, so you need to use your index finger to control it. Of course, if you really want to use your thumb, it's kind of okay, but weird, it doesn't like Logitech. They put it here so you can use your thumb to do it. I'm kind of fan because I use my middle finger to control the scroller, the vertical scroller. So I do have this index finger to touch it. I don't have problem with that. And they add this like horizontal scroller here. For me, it's kind of okay. I don't really need it. So if you push shift with this vertical scroller, you can actually make it a horizontal scroller. So I mean, but it all depends. The good things, they only have one button, so it's a switch on and off button on the bottom. So you don't like some. I know some of the mouse they put the switch, the devices switch, but a button on the bottom. So it's kind of if you really want to switch, then you need to flip it up. I mean, it's not so convenient. I kind of like it put in this position. It's quite good. Why I'm very disappointed. Here is a charging port, but I'm very disappointed they use this micro USB. I don't know. I really don't know why such kind of they're targeting and kind of an alternative to Logitech Master 3, but they give you a micro USB port. I mean, it's usable, but why? I mean, I really don't get it. But this is also one of those very disappointed point I would like to mention. If I noticed in the very beginning, probably I will choose another mouse. This is the another mouse is like MT550. My wife used it kind of maybe 3-4 years, and she liked it. It's quite small, but it weighs this AA battery. Why I want to mention this? Because from now on, I basically when I choose a mouse, I definitely don't want to choose those with AA batteries, especially with two. You know why? Because it's too heavy. So like this one is with the Leon battery, so you can it's much lighter. Like this one is much bigger. This mouse is much bigger than this one, but actually it's lighter. So I do like it. I do like to use those kind of built-in battery. Yeah, you can actually enjoy it, right? It's lighter, so you can move it smoother or faster, whatever. They have this 2.4G transmitter, but I know Logitech start to use the Type C, USB Type C transmitter. So, but no, you don't have that option here. So, I mean, it's kind of budget alternative. It cost me like I guess probably $25 Canadian dollars. So in like 20 USD dollars. So it's, I would say, I want to try it out and see how it goes. So that's it. That's the open box and my first impression on this Rapoo MT75L. And if you like this video, you don't have to do anything. Just remember this is JDI gadget, and you can come back anytime. Oh, the last thing. So I actually turned on this. Oh, it's not easy to turn it on. The button is kind of it's hide very deep in this hole. So yeah, my God. Okay, anyway, I turned it on. So you see, it's a little light here, but there's no light on bottom because it's what's that word? My God, it's a laser. It's a laser light, so you can see the light. It's not blue, it's not red, it's laser. Okay, so that's the other reason I choose it. Anyway, I'm going to try it out for a while and then make another video to share with you my experience and complaint always. Thank you, and if you like it, I will see you next time. Bye bye. Oh my God, actually it's the most important thing. Why? Because when we have these those kind of brand like Rapoo, like Deluxe, or the other brands compared to Logitech, one of the most biggest complaint I have is that they can customize the button. But this is game changer. I wouldn't say it's a game changer, but at least they start to have it. So this mouse with a driver, with a software that allow you to change the function of this button. So I mean, it's much better than nothing, right? So like if you got these two more buttons, but you cannot do nothing. I mean, all you can do is just backward and forward. If you don't like it, you cannot change it, and it remains there. It's kind of annoying. So I'm very, very happy to see that they add software support for this mouse. So that's actually another reason I bought this mouse. Again, this one. Anyway, now it's the end. See you next one.